Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my eyeshadow project pan. Unfortunately, the progress this month was not that great. If you saw my normal project pan, you'll saw that I did not make a lot of progress there either. That is because I got a lot of makeup in the month of November and I was more focused on trying out new items than I was panning my projects. But if you are new to this style of video on this channel, the way I do my eyeshadow project pan is I randomize 5 eyeshadows from my collection, and from those 5 eyeshadows that I select, my goal is to either hit pan or hit 50 uses, whichever one comes first. This is a rolling style project pan. I do not refresh at the beginning of the year. I've decided that when I feel like I need a refresh, I will just do that, and I have not felt that so far. I'm having so much fun doing it this way that I just feel the need to keep on going. Let's go ahead and start with my ColourPop Soul palette. I am panning the shade B&B, and I thought there might have been a possibility of me rolling it out this month, but because I got so much eyeshadow last month, I just didn't. So I have 8 uses until I can roll this shade out, so I think I can make it happen this month. There's no reason why I shouldn't be able to, but who knows. But I should be able to roll this out. This has been in for so long. I'm ready to roll this one out and start panning something new. From my e.l.f. Acai You palette, I am panning the third shade in, and I only used it 2 times this month, which means I have 20 uses left until I can roll it out. So not exciting. There's a little bit of a dip. I don't think I'll hit pan in this, but I am starting to see a little bit of a dip here, like from an eyeliner pencil. I usually use it as an eyeliner. From the Nabla Read My Mind palette, I am panning the first shade here, and I only used it 2 times this month, which means I have 42 uses left until I can roll it out. So it's gonna be a while, but the 2 times that I did use it, I enjoyed using it, so that was a plus. And then my last 2 shades are from the ColourPop Lizzie McGuire palette. I am panning the shade Dear Diary, and unfortunately I did not use this at all this month, so I still have 47 uses left. In the shade Cutie, I only used this 2 times this month, which means I have 44 uses left until I can roll it out. I do not see myself realistically hitting pan, but previously in this project I hit pan on this eyeshadow, which gives me hope. Anyway, here's a not so exciting project pan update. Hopefully next month there will be a rollout. I get so excited because I love to see what I'm gonna roll into the project. I leave it as a surprise for myself. It's just so much more fun that way. I don't know, I just enjoy kind of like randomly seeing what comes up. It makes this project more fun. But anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. And if not, but you still would like to stick around, I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button. I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.